App is a binary number quiz game that allows kids and computer science students to practice converting decimal numbers to binary. Right here is a little set of directions. Once you've read them, you press the
Once you have pressed the start button for the app, we're brought to the game screen. Here, we're given a question. First one will be 0. And for this, you can press the text box and input your answer. Now you hit click when done, and you're given a score of 1 and the check mark to indicate that you've gotten this right. If you scroll down, since this is my first time playing, you can see that I have a high score of 1. Now I can hit continue and go to the next question. Say I got this one wrong and I wasn't quite sure how to do it. When I hit click when done,
try again.
I'm given an X to show that I'm wrong and that I can try again. This is the code for the click when done button. Originally this button just gave us the simple right or wrong picture, but now we added a few more pictures. We added a list of a few different things that can pop up to show that you got it right or wrong. We made a list and the app randomly picks from this list to see if you got it right or wrong. We also added a text-to-speech component to this part of the app. This allows the student to know if he got it right or wrong. The app will choose from a short list of a couple phrases letting them know if they got it right or wrong, such as correct, good work, nice job, way to go, or if they got it wrong, try again, sorry, incorrect, or just incorrect. The second part of this button is the high score component and the TinyDB. For this, the app checks to see if the score that you have currently is higher than the global high score at the bottom. If it is, it'll take the score that you have currently and input it into the TinyDB, and it will remember that as your high score. From then on, the score will continue to rise, and that will be your high score. Lastly, for the click when done button, that is disabled at the end of all this. This is so you can only get 1 point per question and you're not able to continue to get multiple points by clicking this button over and over. This is a list of the questions that we have. The app picks randomly from this list each time when the continue button is pressed. This is the code for the continue button. When this button is pressed, we jump to the next question on the list. We have a list from 0 to 30 and the app randomly picks from this list and displays it on the screen. The next thing this button does is that it changes the background color on the screen. This was to make the app more attractive to kids, making it more fun and less likely to be the same thing over and over again. The app picks from a list of random colors, and each time a random color is displayed on the screen for the app's use.